Hello everyone, I wanted to end this day with a Puma XLE. This is a 27 RBQC model. It actually comes in weighing at 7,687 pounds with a overall length of 33 feet 2 inches. Very awesome family friendly coach. It's nice and open. There's plenty of storage, so I think you guys are going to love it. So starting with the outside, you have your power tongue jack. Very large propane tanks are just behind there. And then you have some diamond plating at the bottom of this front cap, and it almost looks grayish. I believe the 2021 models have like this blackish color, but here you have like a almost silvery looking color. Of course, you have the updated front cap, which looks great. Moving along, aluminum siding, some pass-through storage as well. Front and rear power stabilizing jacks, and a power awning, so you have a lot of outdoor living space to relax underneath. Friction hinge door with a screen so you can get a nice breeze going. Your door doesn't have to slam into your camper and damaging it or just slamming it into the door frame. Solid steps that fold into your camper pretty nicely, so if you're running in and out, your pets, your kids, they're just great, sturdy, and it doesn't move the camper too often. Access to your water heater, fresh water connection. Then moving along, you have a bracket plus some power out here, so if you want to have a TV, you can. And then Bluetooth capable outside speakers. Outside kitchen as well, so mini fridge. And it even has a tiny little ice maker, which is just adorable. A drawer that can pull out, so you have access to an outside sink with a kind of a hose that attaches to it, so you can extend it out, maybe rinse off some dishes, muddy shoes, your dog, things like that. Extra drawer space for your utensils. And then you have a Greystone griddle, so great for stir fry nights, eggs and bacon, or even just pancakes, burgers, you name it, it's just great for it. LP Quick Connect. A spare tire, and you are prepped for a rear observation camera. And then here is also an outside shower too, so you can hook it up to there. City water connection. One slide out, and I think that covers everything, so let's take a peek at the inside. All right, so immediately when we walk in, directly to the right, we have our master bedroom. Queen size, and it has this different colored quilt or comforter with the 2022 models and pillowcases, but of course you don't have to use this if you don't want to. Additional storage underneath, and you actually have quite a bit of walking space on either side of the bed, or you can just fling yourself on it from the doorway. End tables on both sides, and they're pretty long, so you have a lot of room for a sleep out machine, your personal belongings, your glasses, some knickknacks, anything. Some reading lights as well, and a shelf that extends all the way across. Above each nightstand, you have a closet locker, clothes rack on the inside, and then the mirror panel on the outside. So you can kind of use that to get ready in the morning. And then coming out here, oh, before I forget, you also have a spot for a TV backer here in your master bedroom. I love that this door swings out rather than in, so that you aren't feeling super cramped and claustrophobic with that door swinging in there. But really, all of this open space right here, you can just dedicate it to that door. And you also have a decal wall art that comes with the coach, so it's a nice touch. Before I forget, our sale price comes out to be $29,995 for everything. Some access storage drawer, so you can really open this up right at your entrance if you need to. If you're at a rest stop, quickly grab something without really having to step into your camper. But it's just nice extra storage space. And then coming back around, talking more about our kitchen, more storage is down below. And then here is the other side. So that door I just showed you is all the way over there, and it kind of like passes through a little bit. Stainless steel open mount sink with a roll-up cover. You can use this to have your dishes rest on to dry, or some additional countertop space. Window back there, a couple outlets for your small appliances. Cabinet space, stainless steel microwave, range hood, 3-burner stove top. You can fold this up and be able to use it as a backsplash if you're cooking something that's pretty greasy, or soups, sauces that splatter everywhere. Just makes for an easy cleanup. And then there's your oven. Stainless steel refrigerator, so it's all very matchy. And then across from there, We have our booth dinette. I love the booth dinettes because they fold down into an extra sleeping spot. So you can have 1 to 2 people here depending on size. But they're also pretty comfortable to just lay and relax in. I mean, you honestly could nap there if you really want to. There's a lot of extra space. There is an outlet mounted against the base of it so you can charge your laptop or electronics just sitting there. Great big window. And then we have our sleeper sofa. The middle cushion does fold down into the cup holders that you see, but you can fold it up like so to create a little bit of extra space. More cabinet storage. And then across the way is your entertainment center. So your bracket for your TV. Access to those outside and inside speakers are right there. Some storage is on both sides. And this actually can double as your kids' storage space or just, you know, additional storage for whatever you want. Same thing down below. All the way at the back, we have our double over double bunk. Very soft mattress material. Each bunk also has a privacy curtain. So your kids can sleep in or your friends can sleep in if they want. The top bunk, though, does have a window. So they can pick and choose who gets which bunk. USB ports are on both sides. And the top bunk is rated for 300 pounds as well. Finally, coming into this nice and bright bathroom, you have your shower tub combo all the way at the back. Not quite sure if a full-size adult is able to fit in there, but you're welcome to try. This could really be for your kids or if your pet needs a bath. Skylight is there up above. Vent fan too. And then you have your foot flush toilet. Across from there is open shelving, toilet paper holder, some extra countertop space too, maybe for some decorations. Power outlet, sink, storage, and I thought there was another power outlet. Medicine cabinet. So there you have it. Any questions or concerns, feel free to let us know. Thanks.